Stand with your back against the wall. Keep your chin level and press your head back toward the wall. Hold for a slow count of 3. Relax and repeat this exercise several more times. Be sure that you're not tipping your chin up or down, but keeping your head level while you're doing the exercise. Once you feel you have good posture while doing this exercise after a few weeks, you can then perform it without the wall and do it repeatedly throughout the day. This exercise is great for building proper posture and strengthening the neck muscles.
If you enjoyed what you learned today, click the like button down below. If you happen to be new, please subscribe to our channel to stay tuned in on upcoming content.